Welcome to Math video channel. In this class, I am explaining about second order derivatives. See the problem. Find second order derivative of cos cube. Given y equals to cos cube x. See here, second order means you want to do differentiation two times. Yes, first you can do y dash dx of cos cube x. What is dx of cos cube x mean? Generally, cos 3 theta equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now, cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 4 cos cube theta. In this sense, 1 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta equals to cos cube theta. So, I write in the place of cos cube x as this. Okay? Dx of 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Please remember this formula. Now differentiate this. 1 by 4 into this one. Cos 3 differentiation minus 3 sin 3x. In the same manner minus 3 sin x. Why? Because cos differentiation minus sin x. Cos x means minus sin 3x into 3. Okay. Now, this is y dash. Y double dash 1 by 4 into minus 3 sin 3 differentiation cos 3x into 3. Here 3 cos x. 3 constant separate. Dx of sin x is nothing but cos x. See here, minus 9 by 4 cos 3x minus 3 by 4 cos x. Okay, that is y double dash. That implies y double dash equals to minus common. 3 is there in both the terms. So 3 by 4. 3 cos 3x plus minus outside, so inside our symbols are changes. 3 gone out, 4 gone out, and cos x. This is the required answer. This is second order derivative for y equal to cos cube x. Okay, this we can do the problem by using the formula. Okay, see the next problem. Prove if y equals to x to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n, then x square y to the power of n equals to n into n plus 1 into. So this is the given function. We want to put this one. Okay, given y equals to x to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n. Differentiating with respect to x. Now y dash equals to dx of x to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n. Okay, now use the formula dx of x to the power of n equals to n to the power of n minus 1. A into n plus 1 into x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1, n minus 1 plus minus n into bx to the power of minus n minus 1. Yes, now a into n plus 1 x to the power of n, 1 gets cancelled, minus plus and minus minus b n minus n minus 1. Okay, now y dash, y double dash, a into n into n plus 1 x power of n minus 1 minus b into n into n plus 1. Here minus 1 is there because minus n minus 1 equals to minus of n plus 1. So minus of n plus 1 means minus to minus plus x to the power of minus n minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now I will multiply by x square on both sides. X square y double dash a into x square means n into n plus 1 n minus 1 plus 2 because I am multiplying with x square. Base are equal, exponents must be added, so plus 2 b n into n plus 1 x to the power of minus n minus 2 this one I am adding plus 2 because x square I am multiplying x square. So a into n plus 1 x to the power of n plus 1 this one b into n plus 1 x to the power of 2 gets cancelled minus n. Okay. Now I will common this one n into n plus 1 n into n plus 1 n into n plus 1 common ax to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n. Okay. Now see here, this equals to x square y double dash equals to, this is n into n plus 1 ax to the power of n plus 1 plus bx to the power of minus n is nothing but y. This is the required answer. Okay. X to the power of x square y double dash equals n into n plus 1 into y. In this way you can do the problem by using second order derivatives. Okay guys, in this way you can do the problem. Practice this. These are very important problems in second order derivatives. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.